everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download Kraken application for your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up your App Store, but before that make sure that you're connected to an internet of course, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once connected, search for Kraken by typing it into the search bar and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed right in the search result at the very top. If you tap the application, you should see further information about it, its ratings and reviews, and so much more in this page. To quickly download the application, tap the Get button beneath the app, or if you're in the search result, right next to the app. Once you give it a tap, confirm your identity, and then you'll be able to start with the downloading process for the app. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your iPhone. Kraken is much more than just a Bitcoin exchange. It is a simple, on-the-go program for investing and maintaining your account, and the easiest, safest, and most secure way to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and much more. Kraken has been at the forefront of the Bitcoin revolution since 2011 and is one of the world's largest and oldest Bitcoin exchanges. Once the application is downloaded and is ready for use, you can see an open button popping up. Simply give it a tap to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Kraken wallet application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.